Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm sharing a miraculous cream recipe to treat puffiness and tiny wrinkles around your eyes. The delicate skin under your eyes may be some of the first areas to show lack of sleep, water retention, or aging. Two common problems that can affect your under eye area are bags under the eyes and wrinkling of the skin underneath and on the sides of the eyes. If you experience these conditions, try this homemade eye cream. It will remove your wrinkles like an eraser. Now start remedy. For this remedy, you will need coconut oil 1 teaspoon, vitamin E oil 1/4 teaspoon, thyme oil 2 drops. Add coconut oil, vitamin E oil and thyme oil in a small bowl. Keep mixing until well combined. Save to glass jar in the refrigerator. Take enough amount of cream to apply around the whole eyes. Massage gently. Remove the excess cream using cotton ball or tissue. Use this remedy 2 hours before going to bed. Keep using until getting wrinkle-free skin. Thanks for watching.